Hello everyone, and welcome to the project Dictionary Application using Python and JSON. In this session, we are going to build a simple yet powerful dictionary application using Python. And we will start by understanding the basic idea behind how a dictionary works, along with the resources required and the key concepts involved in this project. We will also take a brief look at JSON, which plays an important role in storing and managing our data, and understand how our final code will be structured, along with some additional features and basic debugging. To begin, let's understand how a dictionary works. Whether it is a pocket dictionary, an online dictionary, or a mobile app, they all function in a similar way. They store a large collection of words in a file or a database, and when a user searches for a word like apple or book, the system scans through the data to find that word. If the word is found, it returns its meaning, otherwise it informs the user that the word is not available. Similarly, our Python dictionary will follow the same concept. We will use a JSON file to store our data, where each word acts as a key and its meaning is the corresponding value. JSON is preferred because it is simple, easy to read, and efficient to work with. We will learn how JSON is structured, how it can be edited, and how it integrates with Python. After that, we will move towards building the final code and understand the logic behind searching for words. We will also enhance our project with features like handling uppercase, lowercase, and title case inputs, as well as managing situations where a word is not found. Additionally, we will include smart improvements such as suggesting correct words when users enter slightly incorrect or plural forms. Overall, this project will help you understand file handling, data management, and how to build an interactive Python application in a simple and practical way. Thanks for watching.